got the best seats in the house. We got the best seats.
The drive.
Yeah.
Rock with any money. Two
That's
tickets.
what I was
Jimi Hendrix for that. Star Spangled Banner. And we get from the 4th of July celebration right here on the drive. We began with James Dean from the album On the Border. Heartache Tonight, On the Border, title track from that album. And Lion Eyes, Can't Hide It. 97.1 FM, The Drive. Good evening, I'm Don Nelson. We go to an American hero, so to speak, musically from the Midwest. And a couple from Mellencamp and his version of rock as it's intertwined with America. Some deep cuts from Mellencamp as well. Speaking of tickets, how would you like to win tickets? Tickets to Queen, July 13th at the United Center. For Cubs game, July 9th against the Pirates. Jill Egan from the Sherman and Tingle Show will have him this edition of The Drive's Thirsty Thursday, celebrating the upcoming All-Star game. It's going on at Real-Time Sports Bar, 1120 West Devon Avenue in Elk Grove Village. Be there for the meet and greet Thursday from 5 until 7 with fabulous free food buffet and said tickets. So we'll see you Thursday. Real-Time Sports Bar, Elk Grove Village, from Miller Lite and 97.1 FM, The Drive, Chicago's classic rock.
Summer's here, and the time is right for the Drive's 97 days of summer. We've already put tens of thousands of dollars in cash in your wallet, and a classic Chevy Corvette in the driveway.
That is totally awesome, man. You guys are awesome. Oh, look at that. There we go again.
The Drive continues to hand over stacks of
Nice.
free concert tickets and invites to shake the boat cruises on board Chicago's First Lady. Plus, traveling Thirsty Thursday parties where you can
Woo, nice.
summer long. And free trip Fridays to Mexico and the Caribbean every Friday. From fun jet vacations and cool hotels and resorts. Making every day count. The 97 days of summer.
Woo!
The Drive.
Nice.
Chicago's classic rock.